Decker, you're a crab eating guy. I didn't know what he was doing, and I found out he was eating baby crab. Food at the beach. Huh? Where's our girl? Come on. Get your stick. Good girl. Where's your stick? Come on. Bring your stick. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you know. Oh, we smelled something. You ready? Huh? Good girl, Cricket. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? You hunting for crabs? Hey. Good girl, Kiki. There we go. Okay, go, okay. Dick, where do you want to go? Go. Where is it, baby? Where's your stick? Here, let's get a new one. This one. Ready? Good girl. Well, the waves are getting big.